Few days ago, I made a video countering a man that claimed to come from Ika land, where he was saying that Ibanke people are not Ika people, that Ibanke people are not Anyoma people, that Ibanke people are Edo people, and that they should remain in Edo State. After I made that video, someone that know that young man made a comment. This is what the person said. The person said, "Bro, I know this guy from childhood. He's not from Owanta. The guy is from Obage, Noheze, in Edo State, close to Abudu. They speak Ika too, although the guy grew from Abo town and built house in Owanta secondary school side." Here again, he said, "Ibanke is not the only Ika speaking people in Edo State. Ute Oheze, my village, is there. Iru, Owariuzo, Obage, Ibogili." That man that said that he's from Ika, that Ibanke people are not Ika people, he said that he is from Owanta community in Ika land, whereas he is lying. That person that commented under my video by exposing that guy said that the guy is from Edo State, from a community called Obage, very close to Abudu. That guy is of Bini stock. No Ika stock from Edo State go tell you say Ibanke people not be Ika people. Just imagine, impersonation. You are not from a Owanta community, but you are lying, say that you are from a Owanta community. You started spreading false information saying that Ibanke people and other Ika people in those states are not Ika people. He was saying that they are not Anyoma people. Can you imagine? Why you not go talk like that when we say some Ika people they talk say they not be Igbo people? See, they no want make Anyoma state join Southeast. If you dey fight greatness unknowingly to you, people wey know say you dey fight greatness wey go benefit you, that same fight wey you dey fight by fighting that greatness, they go follow you dey fight that greatness. And that is why you will see so many Bini people creating pages using Igbo names in those pages. They will be telling you that they are from Ukwane land, they are from Ika land, they are from Oshimiri, they are from Anyocha land. Some of them will be Ukwane names like Osai, Oliseyenum, or Chonogo. They go use all those names they write for social media. They talk say Ukwane is not Igbo. They go come mention one name of Ukwane community for you. They tell you say I'm from Abe community. We Abe people are not Igbo people. We are Abe people. We are Ukwane people. Some go tell you say they are from Ogume. Ogume is from Bini. Ogume is not Igbo. The ones who create account with Ika names go tell you say we Ika people, we are not Igbo people, we are Bini people. I'm from Abo, I'm from Owoyibu, I'm from Utoheze, I'm from Umunede, I'm from Owa. That is what Bini people are doing on social media, creating fake accounts, spreading hate, spreading propaganda. That is all those hater propaganda will stop Anyoma state creation, but they go cry. When we tell them that Anyoma state creation is a done deal, some people go think say na play. Okowa, they campaign to go back to the Senate 2027 to remove Senator Ned Nwoko. If to say these people know wetin they go on, therefore don't give up. But because they don't know, they still they mumu themselves online. They think say Okowa is going back to the Senate. Okowa will never go back to the Senate. That one are sure. In order to spoil the mind of so many Anyoma people, Bini people are going about creating fake accounts on social media. Just imagine this Bini boy from Edo State is claiming that he is from Owanta community in Ika land. Some of all these Bini people, they create fake pages. They fight Igbo unification. So many of them don't live for Ika land. So many of them don't live for Ukwane land, in Oshimiri, and in Anyocha land. Some of them go come live for TikTok. If you do TikTok live streaming, some of them go tell you say they won't talk. Then if you go accept their guest requests, they go start to dey speak Igbo. They give you, they tell you say they be Igbo people from Imo State, say they don't do research, say they find out say Imo State originated from Bini Kingdom. If you ask the person which community are you from in that Imo State, the person go tell you say he is from Isu. They go start to dey call for you names of communities where they around that place. They know the names of those communities. They know the areas where they inside because They don't live for all those places, but they are not from that place. They are Bini people wey just come all Igbo like 10 years ago, 15 years ago. So they can't start to dey speak our language, can't know our place. And because they are defending the Oba of Bini, claiming that the Oba of Bini owns the whole world, they will now disguise as Igbo people, telling you that Onitsha is from Bini and Nyoma is from Bini. Imo State shiri Bini bia, Enugu State shiri Bini bia, Anambra State has shiri Bini bia. These people go dey speak Igbo, they give you. You got to wonder which Igbo man go dey talk say Igbo people are from Bini Kingdom. One of them don't come my live section for TikTok. They talk all these things. He thought say he come from Imo State. And as I give am audience, he called they talk say Anyama people are from Bini. Say Imo State people are from Bini. As he just dey talk, and I call the tell and say, oh, you be Bini person, no wonder. Imposter. Now bring the failure down. Failure! So many of all these people where they speak Ika today for social media, no be all of them be Ika people. So many of them na yariba people wey come do Olu Igbo. They can't start to speak Ika. Now there you go to see they talk say Ika is not Igbo, Ika is Bini. Yariba person oh. They talk say Ika not Igbo, Ika not Bini. Why? They want to separate we Anyama people from our Igbo brothers in the Southeast, but they will fail. So many of those comments that you are seeing on social media fighting Igbo unification, saying that Anyama is not Igbo, saying that Anyama State will never join the Southeast. So many of those people are not from Anyama land. 90% of those people are from Bini and Yariba. That is what they are doing on social media. When the issue between South Africans and Igbo was hot on social media, Igbo was scrolling on TikTok live streams and he came across some people that are speaking Igbo language, and South Africans joined in that live streaming. So those people there are speaking Igbo language. People who host that live, they speak Igbo language, but they're not Igbo people, they be Yariba people. So those people were insulting those South Africans in that place, saying that South Africans cannot do anything. We will chase them away from their country. We will take their throne. We will establish an Igbo kingdom in South Africa. We will marry their queen. We will do this. We will do that. So all those Yariba people, they talk that thing with Igbo language. They can't take that thing. They provoke those South Africans where they that place, so that South Africans will start attacking Igbo in South Africa. Igbo can send those people guest request, say you want talk. As they come bring them up, Igbo can tell all those people, say, you people here, you people are not Igbo people. Why are you using Igbo names and you are speaking Igbo language, telling these South Africans here that they are useless, that they cannot do anything? You people are trying to turn South Africans against Igbo. Immediately, now those people come bring Igbo down. They come start to speak Yariba. They don't say Igbo too, they hear Yariba language. They come to speak Yariba, they talk say, these Igbo people, we go show them something. We will turn South Africans against Igbo. They talking with Yariba. They don't know say Igbo hear am. But they live streaming, they speak Igbo language. They insult South Africans so that South Africans will start attacking Igbo in South Africa. Yariba people are not too evil. This ethnic nationality called Yariba, they're too evil, they're too wicked. You start live streaming, they speak Igbo language, they insult South Africans. They threaten them. Make you look like say, na Igbo people, they insult South Africans. That is the same thing that these Yariba and Bini people are doing on social media. Creating fake social media accounts, saying that Anyama is not Igbo. We don't impersonate for Igbo unification. And not be from Okwane, come and talk about Okwane person. Wait till I go gain. They can only do all those things online by coming online to say rubbish. The highest thing that they can do is to create fake social media accounts. Just like that idiot from Obage in Edo State did. Ibanke people are not Ika people. Ibanke people are not Anyama people. So that Ibanke people will remain in Edo State. So that his Oba of Bini will be enslaving Ibanke people. Ibanke cannot speak Bini language yet. Bini people want to make Ibanke people remain for Edo State. None of them fit tell their Oba say, Oba, these people not dey speak our language. Leave them alone now. They're not going to fit talk like that because according to Bini history, Bini people are seen as slaves to their Oba. This one not being insult. This one are waiting there for Bini history. It was recorded in the history of Bini Kingdom. That's their red book. That their red history book where come out in Yuri. It was recorded inside. He did there. Oyibo people even record them. Say, Oba of Bini calls his community people as slaves. That's why they are called Ovioba. That word Ovioba is Ovien and Oba. Two separate words. Ovien means slave. Then Oba. That word means Oba slave. That is what Bini people call themselves. That's why you go see so many Bini people where they defend Oba Bini for social media. They're going to shout, Abi Ovioba, Abi Ovioba, 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 Ovioba. The word they switch them because that is their culture. Now why you go hardly see Bini person they speak against the Oba of Bini for all these things where they do? How can you be claiming Ibanke an Igbo speaking community? They claim say now you be their king, say their king na chiefs administering to their people under you. Is that not an insult? So now why you go see all these Bini people, they create fake social media accounts. They insult people on social media so that our Igbo brothers for starting to the thing say, na a car person they insult me, they call me slave. You don't know say that person where they call am slave, where they bear a car name, not be a car person. A Bini person where create a social media account, they claim say him be a car person. They go speak Ika very well give you. They go speak Ukwane very well give you. They are not from Ika, they are not from Ukwane, they are from Bini. Their agenda is to make sure that they create enmity between we and Yoma people and our Igbo brothers in the southeast. Some of our Igbo brothers in the southeast go tell you say they don't do receive insults from Ukwane people, Ika people, Oshimili, and the Anyocha people. Say, and Yoma people they call them slave, and Yoma people they call them losers, and Yoma people they call them this, and Yoma people they call them that. People where they insult on they are not even from Anyoma. 90% of them are Bini and Yariba people that create social media handles with Igbo names. They go declare say they be Anyoma people. They are not from Anyoma. Our Igbo brothers from the southeast, if you really mean it that you are here for Igbo agenda, say you was making Igbo unite, say no matter anything, Igbo agenda comes first, then stop seeing the insult of those idiots as anything. As they don't see say the Igbo unification movement done actualize Anyoma state finish, they can't they depressed, they now resort to insults. That's why they go to insult our Igbo brothers in the southeast so that they go give up on we Anyoma people. So Ndi Igbo in the southeast, you people should understand all these things. Ndi Igbo were destroyed during the Biafra war. During that war, Yariba people, Bini people, they live fine, nothing touched them during that war. Ndi Igbo that were destroyed, they bounced back and became the wealthiest ethnic nationality in the whole of Africa. The wealthiest black race in the world is Igbo. So we Igbo people now and those Bini and Yoruba people where they insult us for social media, inside way of them who be failure. We were destroyed during the Biafra war. Today we are the wealthiest in Africa. You dey follow person where we say poverty don't chop and finish. You follow failure. Failure call you failure. You Igbo person where be great person. You dey listen to wetin him talk. Some people were saying, they know say that thing where that Bini boy talk. They talk say Ibanke is not Ika. Say the boy where talk that not be Ika person. Say they know. So many Ika people, that is how they reason. Some Ika people don't see Ibanke people as their brother. That is why when the kings of Ibanke people were suspended by the Oba of Bini from their throne, no Ika king talk, no socio-cultural organization from Ika land talk, Ika youths and bloggers, they not talk. If no be the Igbo unification movement, Ndi Nasobia socio-cultural organization, or Haneze Igbo and Igbo Nation in general, Oba of Bini for don't swallow Ibanke people. I thought this thing before say, the Oba of Bini is not afraid of Ibanke because of Ika people. He is afraid to do anyhow in Ibanke because of Igbo Nation. Because the issue between Ibanke people and the Oba of Bini now the issue between Oba of Bini and Ndi Igbo. Ibanke issue is not between Ibanke people and the Oba of Bini again. Ibanke issue is between the Oba of Bini and Igbo Nation. And that is because of the wonderful job that the Igbo unification movement is doing for Ibanke people. Up to today, Ika people, they know they talk about Igbanke people. Igbanke people are doing everything possible to make sure that they join Anioma State through boundary adjustments. So, some Ika people are not different from that useless boy from Bini. If I talk and say, Ika people not get love for each other, some people go talk say, no talk rich like that. Not true. How about Bini suspend the kings of Igbanke people for Edo State? You Ika people not see much talk. And if we talk say we not get love for each other, people go think say, we are just trying to preach hate, we know they talk truth. If Ika people are one people, if we love each other, then prove it by defending each other. That is what makes you a people. No be Ika bofu for mouth all the time, Ika bofu. Are you people showing it? No. Now that una nonchalantness where be say, una not care for Igbanke people. Now why that idiot from Benin talk say, Igbanke people not be Ika people? Because if to say you Ika people are clamoring to see that your brothers in Edo State, Igbanke, Iru and others join Anioma State, that idiot not go talk that thing. You the Ika people in Anioma land are supposed to be doing everything possible to see that your brothers leave Edo State and join you in the Anioma State. Instead, una say no, una no wan join Southeast. Make una dey for South. And as una wan dey for South, make Igbanke people remain for Edo State. May Chukwu bless each and every Ika person that is supporting the creation of Anioma State and the Southeast zoning. Same with Okwane people, same with Oshime and Anoncha people. Shame to every Bini and Yariba people that are creating fake social media handles to fight Igbo unification and the unity of Igbo. Igbo bofu, Ishiagwale.